In this video, you're about to discover the key strategy to unlocking consistent profits in your trading journey. Imagine being the trader who consistently makes quick and reliable gains, navigating the markets with confidence while others struggle. I've personally tested this strategy 100 times, and the results are remarkable. Today, I'll introduce you to a powerful trading strategy that uses one of the most popular indicators on TradingView, trusted by a thriving community of over 50,000 traders. This strategy shows great results, especially on lower time frames like 5-minute and 15-minute charts. Whether you're a day trader seeking rapid gains or aiming for longer-term success on higher time frames like the 1-hour and daily charts, this strategy is designed to give you the edge you need to stay ahead. Don't miss out on the profits that others are already tapping into. This strategy works exceptionally well across various markets, including cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, major forex pairs, commodities, and stocks. Join the thousands of traders who are already benefiting and make sure you're not left behind. I tested this strategy manually 100 times on the Bitcoin 15 minutes chart, and here are the results. I started trading with an account balance of $5,000. Depending on the actual volatility and the session I'm in, I use around 5 to 10% of my account size for each trade. This means that if my first trade is a winner and I make a profit of $100, I add it to my account balance. So for the next trade, I have $5,100 and use 5 to 10% of this new balance. The same applies to losing trades. If my first trade results in a $100 loss, my new balance is $4,900, and I use 5 to 10% of this updated balance for the next trade. Traders, before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This way you won't miss out on any of the powerful trading strategies I share, which can significantly boost your trading success. Okay, without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a highly effective strategy centered around pullback trading. If you're new to the concept, pullbacks involve entering the market during a brief counter movement against the main trend. Simply put, you look to buy during a minor dip in an uptrend or sell during a slight rise in a downtrend. This technique allows you to secure a more favorable entry price, potentially boosting your profits. However, it's crucial to distinguish between a simple pullback and a full-blown trend reversal, which requires precise analysis and timing. While trading pullbacks on lower time frames can be challenging, especially for less experienced traders, the strategy I'm about to share is designed to capitalize on a favorable risk-to-reward ratio. This means that even if not every trade hits its target, the potential profits from successful trades can more than make up for it, giving you an edge in the long run. As an example, we will use the Bitcoin price chart on different time frames. The strategy includes one indicator only. In order to add the indicator, click on the Indicators tab and search for LuxAlgo Signals and Overlays Premium. It is the most popular premium tool created by LuxAlgo. It has over 26,000 likes, which tells us that it is quite legit. So click that to add it to your chart. Haven't heard of LuxAlgo yet? It's an all-in-one indicator with over 20 features designed to give traders useful signals and overlays. It's fully packed with tools for technical analysis. LuxAlgo is the top provider of technical indicators globally, trusted by over 50,000 traders. With the ultimate membership, you get advanced signals and overlays, estimates of institutional volume, and over 20 other premium features. These include highly rated indicators developed from community feedback, access to a Discord community with scanners and bots, real-time alerts, non-repainting signals, and much more. These indicators work on any market on TradingView, such as stocks, crypto, forex, futures, and commodities, and on all time frames. They're versatile, fitting any trading style like scalping, swing trading, or investing, and are great for uncovering technical insights. If you're serious about elevating your trading skills and building a career in this field, LuxAlgo offers 3 plans. The Essential Plan includes the Price Action Concepts Toolkit. The Premium Plan adds the Signals and Overlays Toolkit with built-in AI, plus the Oscillator Matrix Indicator and the Price Action Concepts Toolkit. I personally chose the Ultimate Plan, which combines all 3 toolkits and 3 backtesting system strategy scripts. Alright, now let's click the settings of the Signals and Overlays indicator. For the presets and filters, we want to use none. For the signal mode, we want to use none as well. And we don't want to use the AI signal classifier, so make sure this option is disabled. As we're not going to use the buy and sell signals for this strategy, we can leave the signal sensitivity value by default. And now, set the candle coloring to confirmation simple or none. And finally, enable the Smart Trail set to 3, as well as the Trend Catcher set to 3. Our setup is ready for today's strategy. Our main focus lies on the Smart Trail. You'll notice blue and red waves on your chart that resemble a trailing stop. At first glance, you might think just buy when it turns blue and sell when it turns red. But that's not the main utility of the Smart Trail. Its primary function is to serve as support and resistance, which might seem counterintuitive at first. Let me show you how to use it effectively for our entries. When the price is in an uptrend, but then dips and enters the blue cloud, consider this blue cloud as a support zone. We bounce off this area, and the price moves up again. Perfect for buy trades. As the price drops and doesn't match the blue cloud, we find the red cloud acting as resistance. The price bounces off it repeatedly, providing multiple excellent sell trade opportunities. So basically, you want to watch for the price to pull back into the cloud and get rejected off of it, which means we're going to use the Smart Trail as our support and resistance method to identify our entry points. When the price tests the blue cloud, think of it as a support area to enter long trades. Conversely, when it tests the red cloud, consider it as resistance for short trades. So when exactly should we enter long or short trades? Here are the exact rules for a buy position. Make sure to pay close attention to every single one of them. First, the price needs to pull back into the Smart Trail. This means at least one candlestick must touch the blue cloud with its body and close within it. Waiting for that close within the Smart Trail confirms the pullback, giving you a stronger signal for your next move. Next, wait for a candlestick to close bullish above the Smart Trail, just like this. If both of these conditions are met, it's a strong signal to enter a long trade. For your stop loss, simply use the Smart Trail indicator to protect your position. And now, let's talk about taking profits. For maximum gains, we'll use 2 profit targets. For the first take profit, aim for a 1-2 risk-to-reward ratio. Once the price hits that first target, close half of your position and move your stop loss to break even, securing your gains without any risk. For the second take profit, we'll use the powerful Trend Catcher overlay. Here's the strategy. Wait for the Trend Catcher to flip from red to green. As soon as you see that color change after the candlestick closes, it's time to lock in your remaining profits. Just like that, you're optimizing your exit strategy for maximum returns. All right, let's go through another buy trade example. First, let's watch for the price to retrace back into the Smart Trail. We need at least one candlestick to connect with the blue cloud, ensuring the candlestick closes within the zone. This close inside the Smart Trail gives us confidence in the pullback, signaling a potential entry. Now, look for a bullish candlestick to close above the Smart Trail, as we see here. With both criteria fulfilled, this indicates a solid opportunity to enter a long trade. For your stop loss, rely on the Smart Trail indicator to safeguard your position. Moving on to taking profits, we'll follow the same strategy with 2 profit targets. For the first target, go for a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. Once the price reaches this point, close half of your position and adjust your stop loss to break even, eliminating any downside risk. For the final take profit, the Trend Catcher overlay is key. Wait for it to shift from red to green, and as soon as the candlestick closes after this change, close your remaining position. This way, you're ensuring your exit is timed perfectly for maximum gains. All right, now let's go through some sell trade examples. First, the price needs to be in a downtrend, which is indicated by the red Smart Trail. Next, watch for the price to reclimb into the Smart Trail. This means at least one candlestick must rise up and touch the red cloud with its body and close within it. Waiting for that close within the Smart Trail confirms the retracement, giving you a stronger signal for your next move. Now, wait for a candlestick to close bearish below the red Smart Trail, just like this. If both of these conditions are met, it's a strong signal to enter a short trade. For your stop loss, simply use the red Smart Trail indicator to protect your position. And now, let's talk about taking profits. For maximum gains, we'll use 2 profit targets. For the first take profit, aim for a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. Once the price hits that first target, close half of your position and move your stop loss to break even, securing your gains without any risk. For the second take profit, we'll use the powerful Trend Catcher overlay. Here's the strategy. Wait for the Trend Catcher to flip from green to red. As soon as you see that color change after the candlestick closes, it's time to lock in your remaining profits. Just like that, you're optimizing your exit strategy for maximum returns. Alright, let's go through another sell trade example. First, ensure the price is in a clear downtrend, indicated by the red smart trail. Now, watch for the price to reclimb back into the smart trail. We need at least one candlestick to rise up, touch the red cloud, and close within it. This close inside the red smart trail confirms the retracement, signaling a potential short entry. Next, look for a bearish candlestick to close below the red smart trail, as we see here. With both criteria fulfilled, this indicates a solid opportunity to enter a short trade. For your stop loss, rely on the red smart trail indicator to safeguard your position. Moving on to taking profits, we'll follow the same strategy with 2 profit targets. For the first target, go for a 1:2 risk-to-reward ratio. Once the price reaches this point, close half of your position and adjust your stop loss to break even, eliminating any downside risk. For the final take profit, the trend catcher overlay is key. Wait for it to shift from green to red, and as soon as the candlestick closes after this change, close your remaining position. This way, you're ensuring your exit is timed perfectly for maximum gains. If you want to learn my best strategies for trading crypto, forex, and stocks, check out this video right here.